Hi there. I wanted to show you an easy way that I have found to use Google Forms to send out your special education students that have accommodations, to send those out to their general education teachers and keep track of who has returned them to you so that you make sure that all your bases are covered. I simply have created a Google form and I've titled it A Student, so I know whose form that is that I'm looking at very easily. And I put their name here so that the teacher can see that. I've listed the accommodations for the student, and then what I've done at the bottom of the form is I've typed out the student's entire name, because believe it or not, we do have students that have the same initials, same last name, so this helps to eliminate any possible confusion. I also give the options of yes, I've received the accommodations for the student, or I no longer have the student in my class. This is especially helpful because at semester change time we do have so many schedule changes happening that this eliminates any confusion that you've given it to the wrong teacher or haven't given it to the new teacher. And then I have each teacher type their name down here. That helps me keep track of who's returned the forms and who has not. Now, when you get a response, it'll have an indicator up here, and you can also get an email notification. You will see the response here of who has sent it back to you. It'll show you how many responses you have. In this case, I just sent it to one teacher, and then it'll show you what their choice was. And it'll have their name down here that they typed in. So it's important to send these out anytime there's a semester change, beginning of the year, whether you lose someone on your caseload, add someone on your caseload. It's important to let the gen ed teachers know so that we can all work together. And I have found that Google Forms and this way of keeping track eliminates a lot of paperwork, and it saves me a lot of time in the end. Thanks for watching.